Hello. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing here. I haven't put out too many videos lately, so thought I'd put one out. I'm working on a back door for this thing. I have it built. I had to refix it, but my I don't know what you call it. It's like a camper topper thing for my truck with all the signs on it. I put a front on it, painted the front. Got signs on this side. I finished the top. I just got to put a canvas on top and seal off the roof. But on another note, I got another project I finished up. And my bike's in there, 3 of them. A little rack for the kayaks. Get them off the ground. But for my next project, it's sitting right here. This is a Honda XR80R dirt bike. Picked it up last year, the end of the year. I'm just getting to it. So I've been taking it apart. It needs parts. Needs a real wheel and hub, and gears are all wore out. I did get spark on it. I was just getting ready to put the carburetor back on. Carburetor was pretty dirty, and I was going to go, before I put the carburetor on, I was going to make sure it's in time, the timing is correct. So, but just kind of like trying to finish up my truck today before it rains again. But this is the next project, restoration, I guess. '2000 model, but for some reason these idiots, they like to paint. People like painting shit, like the motor, painting the motor. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to take the color off of it, and I got this clutch is all stuck, so I'm gonna have to be taking it apart. It's missing the Kickstarter. It's got some play in here. I think it's was abused. It's got a little bit of a bent frame, and I don't know if it's supposed to be bent like that. Kind of goes shh. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be that way. But the wheel's in pretty bad shape. It was missing the rear brake drum, and it's missing some spokes. It just missing a lot of parts on it. So I'm gonna order a new for 300 bucks, I'm gonna get a new rear wheel and tire, and well, anyways, the tire or the wheel and the chain, both sprockets, the brake assembly, and everything involved in that back part, and I'll be done with that part. And it's just a matter of making sure the engine's not seized up. Just making sure that it runs. It had, when I last checked, I could get a couple of cranks out of it by hand. And I got 60 pounds, but I don't know. It's supposed to be 170 pounds in the cylinder, so who knows. I'll have to try to get it started somehow. I need a new Kickstarter for it, so I'm gonna have to order that. Just haven't been pumping out any videos, you know, like a lot of people sit and pump them out once a week, and I just been taking it easy. It's pretty healthy still. I'm not having any heart problems, but I do have spark as far as I know. It says XR80RY. I don't know what that means. Color code R134 code, whatever that means. So, but I do think that it's been used and abused. Probably jumped a lot. Who knows? But the tank was pretty clean. I was surprised at how clean the tank was inside there. I was just getting ready to clean it out, put it back on, and put the carburetor on and see if I can get it to start. See if there's any life in this thing. So, but everything else, the front is okay. It seems like needs new tires. But it's going to take a good $300, $400 maybe not. But the seat's pretty good. I don't think it's the original seat though. It could be repainted for all I know. Could be just, but at least the seat's not all ripped up. So, and this thing, there's some play in here. I think the bushings might be wore out. I've got some extra shocks that I might be able to throw on there. These are a little bit bigger. But yeah, the exhaust is definitely missing parts to it. So sort of a little update about what I'm doing and what I've been up to. So thought I'd bring that out. It's getting to be a 10-minute video. Hopefully this thing turned on okay. Well, anyways, this is what I've been doing. It is what, October 24th, I think. I think it's the October 24th. It's Sunday, October 24th. So I'm just gonna finish up the truck and get that done before tomorrow. It's say it's gonna rain out. I don't think it is here in East Texas. So that's where I'm at. That's what I've been up to, and hopefully I'll put more videos out here. More. I've been riding my bikes lately, you know, but I just don't videotape myself going out. So this one here is my next project. But it's gonna take time. I don't have that kind of money all the time to pump into these things. So we'll see. I still got the blaster engine here, and I'm still looking to put something in. So I've been feeling pretty good. Just spending a lot of time in the house. And Mary was retired, by the way, and so alright then, like, share, and subscribe.